So in this video we're going to look at finding probabilities using a spinner. So on this spinner there are 5 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 of these are brown. Find the probability of spinning a brown on this spinner. Okay, so if we remind ourselves how to find probability, the probability of an event, and remember the notation, P brackets of the name, the event, is going to be the number of ways the event can happen divided by the total number of possible outcomes. So if we look at this, the total number of possible outcomes is 5, because there are 5 sectors here, or 5 sections here in this spinner. So there are 5 possible outcomes. Now of those 5, 1, 2, 3 of these are brown. So to find the probability of obtaining a brown when spinning the spinner, probability of brown will be equal to, and just before we move on, notice the correct notation has been used here. I'm not just going to write down the answer. Probability brackets brown is going to be equal to 3, because there are 3 ways of getting a brown out of 5 total outcomes. So the probability of a brown is 3 out of 5. So this has been a video to show you how to find equally likely outcomes when finding probability of a spinner. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.